Welcome back, and thank you for watching Best Demonstrator Practices. My name's Nicholas Nick, and today we're going to continue to talk about the hiring process. In the last episode, we talked about orientation. In this episode, we're going to talk about the first day. Training is one of the most important things you will ever do as a manager. It's important to do it right and to be on point. If you slack at anything, it cannot be training. Training is what actually allows you to slack at other things. When you train other people to do invoices, when you train other people to close down the restaurant, that allows you to spend your time wiser elsewhere. The one department you must never slack in is training. Trust me, it shows. So, training. It's our first day. The most important thing you'll ever do. What do? You team this person up with the best attitude in the restaurant. That bubbly kid who's jumping all over the place, who can't contain it. He just loves working here. He's been working here for 6 years. His mother worked here. His mother's brother worked here. And the whole family just is tickled with working here. That's the guy you stick the first day employee with. Who's someone who's putting out a consistent message. They're the same things we've been talking about in orientation, from the first interview to the second. Very consistent message. We're a great team here. We all love working here. We enjoy results and working hard. And that's the same kind of person you got to put them with on the first day. That should almost be every member of your training team. You got to make sure that those attitudes are very positive. The last thing you want on someone's first day is them going, hey, if they catch you doing this, they're going to fire you. People do not like hearing those kind of rules on their first day. You want to make sure that you are twisting these kind of things. Hey, it's mandatory that we do these kinds of things around here. It really helps keep the place clean. You know, we can deliver messages any kind of way we want. We need to make sure those who are delivering them for us are delivering them the way that we want them to be done. So, please consider that when selecting the first day training. It doesn't go with any old trainer. You're going to find on your training team that certain trainers have certain assets, and you need to make sure that you're utilizing them best. Okay, so we're into the first day. You've already selected your trainer. He's a real go-getter. He's upbeat. All right, the new girl, so their day starting. When the start of their shift, I'm approaching both of them. Hey Jody, it's your first day. We're really glad to have you. I can't wait for you to join the team. I got you with Brett today. He is just awesome. You're really going to enjoy this experience. Please feel free, ask him any questions you want. He's the nicest guy I ever met. Brett, you know who I'm talking about. It's very important, that we tee them up to have a great relationship before it ever even happens. After I get done prepping Jody, I go to Brett. Brett, you're going to have Jody. She's a good girl. We just hired her. She does have a little bit of experience, so she should be great in a couple of these areas. Make sure we're focusing on some of the details today on the computer. I give them an itinerary, and then I follow up with them all shift long. It's very important. As the day continues, we're continuing to go, how is everything? Is Brett teaching you? Brett, what have you been teaching her? Oh, I've been teaching this. You're quizzing both of them. Making sure if they know that you're engaged and you're making it fun, it's going to go a really far way. Not only is she going to get trained, the trainer's going to love doing it, she's going to love being trained, and I'm going to love the result that's coming out of it. It's very important to keep this positive vibe ringing throughout your restaurant. It is all about creating a culture, and this is exactly where we start. So, I'm quizzing Brett, making it fun, laughing with. If they get it wrong, it's no big deal. It's just their first day, but it lets them know I'm watching. All right, so that's the middle of the shift. At the end of the shift, I'm swinging back up. Brett's doing his side work. I'm talking to Jody. Jody, how was our day today? You want to make sure you're following up with them. They want you to be as involved as possible. So often I feel like we hire people and we just kind of let them go and we let the schedule kind of run the new employee. And I know you've seen it done before, and we need to put an end to that. We run this employee, and out of that we get results. And so at the end of the shift, I always follow up. Hey, how was everything? How'd Brett take care of you? What do you think his strong points were? What were his weak points? It's very important that we understand who our trainers are, how they're training, and what those who are being trained think of them. And to get the real answer, not the, oh yeah, she's great. But to really ask and to build that kind of relationship where they are telling you the truth in the first couple days. And that can tell me a lot about Brett. And then I go and I ask Brett the same questions about the employee. I never let them know I'm asking each other these questions, but it's important for me to know. It's kind of like a scorecard or a baseball card. When we were growing up, I got to know what everyone's score is, and it's very important that you do too. The first day is going to teach you a lot like that. At the end of the first day, we got to make sure we wrap up with any tests, make sure all the paperwork's filled out, make sure they can clock in and out. But again, you don't want those kind of things creeping up on you. Come payroll day, or even worse, paycheck day, and then, oh my goodness, you give someone a job, and then you don't do your job properly, and then it makes them want to quit, which is completely understandable, and you turn something great into something horrible. So please make sure that the payroll's done. Please make sure that they're in the computer. It's very important to get these things done for the employee's sake, to keep your promise, to deliver on that consistent message. Great teams are built by trustworthy team members. Remember that. But that basically sums up the end of the first day. I'll see you tomorrow in the second day.